So I'm going to start first with the double cursive, which is what I wrote back here. I think it's what I called it, the double cursive. Yeah, the double cursive. So the double cursive is pretty easy for me because I often write in cursive letters. So if I was going to write just the word lettering, I'm going to write lettering. And you want to try to connect them all the way through. You don't want to have spaces throughout. Okay? So we connect the T with a crossbar. Okay? The other thing is we want to make sure that we're all on the same baseline and that everything's pretty evenly spread out. Now, after doing this for long enough, I can eyeball it pretty well. But if you look at this, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 spaces here, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 letters. So when I'm going to figure out how I want to space my word, I take the 9 letters, I find the middle letter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my E should come in the middle, and then I can space everything else out so that it's equal. Not as important right now when we're just doing lettering, but more important when you're actually trying to make signs or things like that. So let me erase that. Actually, I got this really cute eraser that someone got me, and it says be inspired, but you know, I've been using it. So, okay, what you want to do is you want to write your word, okay? And if you were watching me write, and I'll just go pretend like I'm writing again, this is called an upstroke, and this is called a downstroke. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so basically the basics of brush calligraphy and double cursive is to know that you always go double up on the downstroke and on the left-hand side. So downstroke, left-hand side. Okay, so my downstroke, if I'm looking at this, okay, this is where my downstroke is. Downstroke, downstroke, downstroke. If I go up, downstroke. This goes up. This has a small little downstroke. Downstroke, up, down, up, down, down, down. Okay, so I know that that's where all of my downstrokes are, but remember it has to be on the left-hand side. Even though I put the pencil on the right-hand side, that I just did so I would know where the downstroke is. So here I'm going to match the exact line form. Do that little part of that R. And that's how I have my double cursive. So basically for the double cursive, it's pretty easy. You want to downstroke and then on the left-hand side of the downstroke. Now you can see right here, it's a little bit close. So the next time I did this, I might space it out a little bit more. So I might do I, N, and then I wouldn't connect it. I would connect it like this and then connect it afterwards. So when I'm doing the downstroke like this on the left-hand side, we have a little bit more even space. So it really just depends on how you want to do it. One of the other things that you can do, of course, is always to do it in pencil. If you naturally do not connect all your letters, that's okay. You'll just connect them once you're done with it. So like that. And then if I was using my pen, oops, I lost my pen. Okay. I'm going to go through, cover up my letters with where they are. There's no connection here with that T, so I'm going to have to make it. And it makes it a little bit more smooth. Okay, and because I know that G is close, I'm going to go and I'm going to do it separately. I'm going to bring that up on the outside, or the left side, I guess I should say. And this time you saw me do this part at the end, because when I shape it, I go up, but then I come down. So that's really more of an aesthetic call. But here's the cool thing about doing the double cursive, is you can leave it completely like this, or you can have a little bit of fun and color it in with different colors. And you can do kind of like a brush like this, so it's not completely, or you can do, you know, a solid, so that it is more like this. And that's the basic of the double cursive.